Here is a demo showing how Coeditor works in an IDE. After making some changes, the user selects a function that they would like the model to edit. Based on the changes just made, the model then suggests a diff to be applied to the selected region. In this case, this fixed the errors highlighted by the IDE. Coeditor can also be used for a refactoring scenario. Here, the user added a new attribute to a class, and Coeditor suggested an update to the drawing list call using the newly defined attribute. Additionally, after accepting the suggestion, Coeditor can make a further suggestion by taking the accepted changes into account. Continuing from the previous example, if the user now goes to a different but similar class, Coeditor can suggest similar edits to the class, helping the user finishing this refactoring more easily and much faster.